Hello guys, good evening. Another day, another vlog guys. Na advance set up mi karon sa mga event na mo para ugma guys. 3 event in a day guys sa mong graduation diri sa may Doña Rosario National High School sa may Norcasis Central Elementary School dito sa CSU giheld guys. Ato pod mi karon ya sa may Victory Elementary School pod guys. Nas Koy the Great o niya si JP the Great o si Ero the Great. Okay. Sit up dire guys, pakita naman guys ha. Na humana mi sit up guys. Nag additional na lang mi og duha ka lights sa stage para sa backdrop niya guys. Sa diri nga side nanay duha ka backdrop sa likod o sa front. Tapos sa stage niya naay duha ka white amber among gibutang o diri nga side mao tong gipakuha pa nako ilakoy pa nang additional nga lights. Among gibutang ray guys sa amo ang frontal is amber, white amber lang gid siya para maklaro gid ang color sa tao, dili siya muluspad. Topper side nga white amber guys among gibutang para insakto gid ang color sa picture sa pag-capture ugma sa mga graduates guys. Okay, mutabok na pod mi karon dito sa may CSU kay kapoy sit up na mo sa Norcasis ugma gapon graduation guys. O sa Victory tiwas uno na lang to guys. Okay, sige. Sit up sa tiwas dito guys ha. Sige, bye-bye. Okay guys, nami dire sa National High sa Doña Rosario National High School guys. So, parang mga teacher guys, pictorial sila daan kay around niya dili na stress, okay pa ang beauty, pa kayo na pansainin. Mana sila guys.
individuals. Most of all, give thanks to the Lord, for He has something great in your future. This is Isaiah 43, verse 19. Today, you find yourself at a pivotal moment, symbolizing the culmination of years of hard work, dedication, and resilience. You are the embodiment of the theme, Kabataang Pilipino, para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. The Philippines, the Agusan del Norte, the Municipality of Tubay needs your determination, enthusiasm, and unyielding spirit.
And experiences we have gained equip us not only to pursue our dreams, but also to contribute to the progress and development of the Philippines. We are the youth who will build a resilient, prosperous new Philippines, grounded in the values of hard work, perseverance, and deep sense of community. As we move forward, let us remain committed to using our talents and knowledge to create a stable and prosperous future for all Filipinos, ensuring that the new Philippines is a beacon of hope and progress for generations to come. Today is a day of celebration, a day of joy, and a day of gratitude. We stand here on the threshold of a new chapter in our lives, ready to step forward into the future with the knowledge, skills, and experiences that have shaped us during our time at this institution.
My thankfulness to Lugner Rosario National High School Alumni Association. I promise to support the noble ideas of my alma mater and to dedicate myself to further personal and intellectual development. I promise to commit myself to the work and serving people wherever my life touches those of others.
Superintendent, Dr. Jenny L. Nativo, ma'am. To our PSDS, Dr. Danilo M. Quillas, sir. To our zealous and our working teachers, headed by our school principal, Mr. Rolando A. Lauro, sir. LGU officials, barangay officials, PTA officials, to our supportive parents, cheerful friends, visitors, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant day to all of us. It is in this long, tiresome journey culminates into one big fruit of crossroad. It is a crossroad that marked a milestone of success, a milestone of immense growth and changes. It is an introduction to a broader arena of life, an arena with bigger challenge to come and bigger funds to explore and bigger fishes to oppose.
Sherwin C. Linaban, awardee. Michael Dave and Paler. Ray Jumel M. Raboy, Achiever, Conduct Awardee.
Tao sa nadaan, dami taon. So, silingan lang mo, di ba magtakaw mo?
Limar G. Villarubin.
Ruben A. Loro. Cyrus Q. Mariscal, Achiever, Conduct Awardee. Ivan C. Masinare. Chris N. Oray. Gilbert John P. Fala, Achiever, Conduct of
Rosemary P. Amigo, Academic Excellence Awardee with Honors, Conduct Awardee. Zahara Rim Lin V. Apat, Academic Excellence Awardee with Honors, Conduct.
And 52 females, a total of 111 learners who have successfully completed the required academic requirements under the K-12 program of the Basic Education on Curriculum for the school year 2023-2024. They are now ready to be promoted to grade 11 for the school year 2024-2025, Madam.
On behalf of the grade 11 advisors, I humbly accept these 59 males and 52 females who will be in grade 11 school year 2024-2025. Congratulations!
Good afternoon, everyone. As the advisor of grade 7 Kepler, it is my honor to present to you these achievers for the school year 2023-2024. Martham A. Arkion with honors and a conduct awarding. Avila with honors in conduct awarding. Wesley C. Dahil with honors in conduct awarding. Congratulations to all of you and of course to your proud parents. Participant in the 80th National Scout Meet held at Camp Pintados, Pasig, Iloilo last December 2023. Congratulations, my dear proud parents and students.
2024. Preston Joy B. Toledo with high honor. Conduct awarding. Gold medal award is awarded to Preston Joy B. Toledo for grabbing the third place during on the spot essay writing contest in celebration of the Clean Air Month, Environmental Awareness Month, and Climate Change Consciousness Week conducted last November 23, 2023 at Provincial Training Center, Capitol Compound, Butuan City. Warlito Ascaris with honors. Conduct awarding. Lebron Charles S. Nartates with honors. Conduct award. BBF Olieras with honors. Conduct awarding.
Okay guys, nahuman namin diri guys. Nahuman na ang ilang graduation o recognition diri sa mga Doña Rosario National High School. Ang sa pikas na mga video guys, sa Victory wala ko ka video. Ug ang sa Norcasis guys kay wala nagbahan man ni tulo kay spinner karon guys. Ako guys na ako diri nag-spin sa Doña Rosario kay naman diri ako asawa. Ako yung nag-spin diri guys, tapos mao na nga wala ko ka video sa line nga video guys. Okay guys, ahipo sa mi ka naman guys ha. Humanagit mi guys, so maraming hipos guys. Ayan, si GP nag-drive sa multi-cab guys. Karon, karga na mi guys kay mag-advance it up na mi karon dito sa may Tubay National High School nga ila pong graduation of mga guys. Kaya ang kasis na mo, stay dito guys sa CSU 2 days dito event guys. Kanya ang kang GP nga sit up ugma, ang GBL duha ka sub guys at tupod niya bitbiton sa may Kabayawa Elementary School sa graduation po. Mao na nga guys, bahin gyapon mi matulog gyapon mi kabahinan guys. Basta gyapon mo video sa lain nga mga area guys kay tungod kay layo among binyo, layo ni guys bugbog ni mayo. Okay guys, daghang salamat sa karon nga adlaw sa pagtan-aw sa mong vlog guys. Sa ano na yung pagtan-aw sa mong ginagmay sa mga subscribers na akong followers. Daghang salamat. Ako na din itagalog ni sa sunod guys kay nanay nag-request niya mag-tagalog video daw ko kay nindot ko no ang mga vlog kaso lang di sila kasabot. Okay. Maraming salamat sa palaging panunood sa vlog namin guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.